So ladies and gentlemen, Mastringer here, and today we are going to test the burner. I'm going to go through the setup quick. Here's the PC, the laptop that I command the whole things with. This is the prototype, power supply, blower that provides air to it. And here's the burner, here's the oil gun. This is the propane butane that ignites. Basically this is the pilot flame. Here's the air, the stepper air that breaks up the oil, the fuel, the diesel, which is in this or going to be on this. Here's the fuel pump that carries the fuel into there. The air breaks that up with the blower. It basically can ignite, and we will spray it onto the snow, and we are going to melt the snow away, hopefully. First we are going to just initialize the system, so it's not going to be too impressive. I'm going to plug the board in right now, arming the thing. We have the green thing. I'm going to test with the 3, 2, 1. We have, let's go. We have ignition, right? We are going to test the burner, the blower. Blower, let's say 40. Going to power thing on. Power supply is on. Blower can run. 3, 2, 1, 40. Blower is running up. Air is provided. Test for leaks. Air is coming out. Oh fuck me, there is a bit of leak here. Oh my god. I should have put more sealant in, because we are leaking a lot of air here. Regardless. Here it is not leaking, here it is leaking, which is not good. Set him to 0. Blower shut down, great. We have that as well. We're going to run the pump. I'm just going to start him, drive for a little bit. Let's say 10% to see if it is working. P. Alright, he's working. Okay. Blower 0, pump 0, great. Going to test the stepper. STP enabled. STP home 1000. Okay, we have home, great. So for some reason the auto homing is not working. I have to check for that, but we are good. We are going to go to, let's say 3000, or that's too much. I'm going to go to like 2500 to see if we are okay. Going to check. Yes, we are. Ooh. Alright, if I step it up to 5000, we have the good old sound. I'm going to go back to 2000. Alright, great. We have this as well. Cool. And now the only thing remains is that we need to fuel up the guy, and then we are going to do this, shall we? So excited, so excited. It's going to be dark as fuck, so I will have to, I don't know, maybe use like a lighter or something. I'm not going to put too much fuel into the tank. Let's see. It looks like there is still a lot of fuel in the pump, or it seems like. I'm just going to pour this much. Maybe this is even too much. This is like 300 ml, which we are going to spray pretty quickly. So STP, let's say 40%. Just want to push the air out. Good. Yes, the bubble is getting out the fuck. Okay, the air bubble is minimized, so I'm just going to pump, shut him down. So great. How are we going to do this? So the test is that we first arm the guy, or should we arm him last? How do we do this in like steps? We should open the air at like a very fine. So STP go to, I would say 3000 at 1000. I'm interested in. Hello. Oh, I mistyped it. STP go to. I think this is enough. I'm going to arm the guy. Arm. Alright. I will be able to ignite with the push button. Okay. Opening the gas. Blower. Alright, then purge the fucking air. Bitch ass blower. So we had 10%. So yes, the blower should not start it. Alright, purging. So fine. So the blower should not start at 20. That's even too much. The flame is really unstable at that point. So we should okay, this is fine. I'm going to shut the blower down. Purging is over. Going to start the blower from, let's say, 10%. Fuck off. Fuck. Fucking blower, man. God fucking damn it. The fuck should I do this? The blower keeps this shit fucking always. Dumbass blower, man. So I suppose I should go from 14 to maybe going to go and add a bit more thing, or we are going to just if we are going to go up to 20%, then I think we can start pumping the fuel. Might think. Alright. Going to, you know what? Going to add a bit of blower, 10% blower, so we don't have that. Is this a fucking joke? Fuck you. I don't know why. Honestly don't know. Fuck off. Okay, not going to fuck with it. Going to let the blower purge it out, 40%. Fuck. So yes, the flame is nice and stable with the propane, but as I start adding the blower about, it starts to blow it out. Going to try the other way, which is that I'm going to 10%. I'm going to start with, I'd say 10. I'm going to go with 12% of pump, and when I have a nice blue flame, I'm going to go down to 10%.
Kapcsoljam ott a lámpát, tehát a világít neked?
Honestly, I don't know why. I don't understand why. 16% is too much, it seems, at this point. 16% blower is too much. Fine, at least we know. 40% we purge. Spin it up. Then we... Yeah, so we go with 14. Hopefully that doesn't blow this shit out. We'll pause there with 14. I'm going to then open up the fuel. Let's go back to 10%. Let's see. That's this one. bit bigger. 60% is too low. Lower 70. Spinning up 70%. At 150 millimeters of height. And I'm going to check the temperature. It's cold as fuck here. Check the minus 5.7 Celsius. At minus 5.7 Celsius. Minus 5.9 by the way. So at about minus 6 Celsius, we are at 14%. Going to check for the thing. It was running pretty well. It's really packing, you know. Like, gonna increase the blower to 75%. Nem, mert akkor meghal minden. Nézd meg! Jó! Alright, gas off. Fuel off. And stop. Alright. Home. STP. Home. With 1000. There were some, probably some transient. I'm going to set the blower to 40% back to purge out everything, and then we are going to call it good enough. I think this was a pretty nice test. Turn the fuel off. Going to disarm him. Closing the gas. Propane is off. I'm going to disarm the guy so I don't shock myself with the high voltage. Disarm. Alright, acknowledge the disarmed. Right. Now we are going to. Mi a helyzet? Na most már kihúzhatod. Minek akartad kihúzni?
Felszereltem egy ilyen elosztót.
Ja. Na elvittem mindent.
De miért viszel mindent el?
Hát meg kell, nincs elég csatlakozó.
A izét meg lerángattad?
Mit? Leszettem, mert mondom úgyis leesik.
Mi?
Hát
A
rajta...
hőmérő?
Aha.
Hát föl van akasztva.
A szögre, ja, de
Csavarra van felakasztva.
minden leesik.
Nem esik le.
Inkább leszettem, onnan nem esik.
Készad?
Aha. Jó volt, fasza volt, működött. Leállt. Kicsit instabil lett a végére. De volt. Fasza volt. Információ van, remek. Kipumpálom vissza ezémet. Tüzelőanyagomat, aztán szétszerelek mindent a faszba.
Ablakot becsukod?
Visszacsukom, vagy visszahúzok mindent. Alright, so we are done. Yes, I'm pretty fucking stoked. Okay, we're going to set the lower to 0. I will need to have some fucking light here. This is disgusting that there is no light whatsoever. Oh, I think I know what happened. The compressor started and blew out the flame. So yes, we should lower the what do you call it? We should lower the blower a bit and allow him so that maybe we are going to set the this 3000. I think 3000 was. I'm going to unplug the guy. I think it was 3000. Yeah, I think it was 5000. No, I think it was maybe. I will have to say. I didn't record. I should have recorded it. Yes, I should have recorded the data. I was so fucking so happy that I didn't record the data. At least I was telling the numbers, but fuck, I didn't record the step stepper count. I think it was 3000 or 5000. I think it was 2000 was nothing. I think it was 5000. I think it was 5000. Whatever. Fuck. Alright. So going to have to take this shit apart. Yeah, I will have to take this shit apart. I need my pliers. I will stop the video. So that was it. Great. Good progress. I think this was a pretty nice test. So thanks for watching. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Mwah.